Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X1 key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. It is also helpful to work on a clean, flat surface to avoid misplacing any tiny components. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and is easily done at home. Now, let's begin by locating the small release button on the side of your BMW X1 key fob. Press this button firmly and then gently pull out the emergency key blade. This key is essential for manual entry if your fob battery dies. Once the emergency key is removed, you will see a small slot or indentation where the key blade was housed. This is where we will carefully begin to separate the two halves of the fob. With the emergency key removed, take your small flathead screwdriver and insert its tip into the slot you just revealed. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to apply too much force. Once open, you will see the old CR2032 battery. Carefully remove it and insert the new battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. To reassemble your key fob, carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's fully seated. Finally, test your key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your car, to confirm the new battery is working correctly. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.